when your web browser pops up and asks, "Would you like to save this password?" Clicking yes is the digital equivalent of hiding your house key right under the front doormat. Sure, it's convenient for you, but it's even more convenient for a thief. Welcome back to The Pulse on Cyber. Today, we are breaking down the biggest security mistake almost everyone makes, letting Chrome, Edge, or Firefox hold onto your passwords. Here's what's actually happening behind the scenes. Last year alone, nearly 2 billion usernames and passwords were stolen from millions of ordinary personal computers, and hackers didn't have to break into complex bank networks to get them. They just sent a virus, disguised as a harmless download or email attachment, that quietly sneaked onto a computer, opened up the web browser, and copied every saved password in under 2 seconds. Browsers keep your passwords unlocked whenever you are using your computer. So when a virus gets in, your passwords are sitting right there in plain sight. But it gets even worse than just your passwords. You know how websites keep you logged in so you don't have to type your code every single day? Browsers save a digital pass, like a VIP wristband, to keep you signed in. Hackers steal that pass, load it onto their own computer, and walk straight into your email or bank account without ever needing your two-factor security code. Convenience is the enemy of safety, but fixing this takes less than 2 minutes. Here is your 2-step fix right now. Step 1. Open your browser settings, turn off Offer to Save Passwords, and delete the passwords already stored in there. Step 2. Download a dedicated password manager like Bitwarden or 1Password. Think of these like an armored bank vault on your phone or computer. They lock your passwords behind a master key that only you hold, meaning even if a virus hits your browser, your vault stays completely shut. Stop leaving your keys under the mat. Remember to follow us and subscribe to The Pulse on Cyber for straight, simple security advice every week. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next update.